Hello YouTube. Welcome back to another moving vlog. So in the last video, at the end of the video, I told you guys that I wasn't sure that we were gonna get to move in to our apartment on the day that we wanted, but I just found out from the property manager that we are in fact gonna get to move on the day that we wanted, which is a huge relief. Don't you agree? Don't you agree, mister? And to celebrate, I'm gonna give Gouda, hey Gouda, do you want me to give you your favorite treat? Should I give you your treat? Such a good boy. He knows that he needs to go to his bed to get this particular treat. And like, then we'll get into moving stuff, but obviously we gotta take a minute to focus on the Gouda and also this cute little outfit.
Yeah, no, this one's already hanging on.
No, that's how they're made.
No, they're made like this. Like, I appreciate your commitment to getting this to work, but not for a like 12-pound cast iron pan.
I just want to make more progress.
It's like that's what you use.
We are like 2 weeks out from move-in day, so we're gonna do a little bit of bathroom packing. So it is Sunday night. We are 12, almost 11 days to the move. Wanted to show you guys a little update because there's a lot behind me. Also, the hutch is like basically empty. There's still some food in there because the kitchen island is totally gone. I sold that, which is crazy. And we have a whole situation happening here because the closet is like basically empty. Got clothes in bags so far, and I mean the bedroom is getting more empty by the minute. You can see we've already got some drawers out, a whole bunch of stuff here, and I still have to get a lot of clothes out of here, but like already started to put some in bags. Have to fold these. I'm trying to sell some of those, so like just fingers crossed that I can sell some of those. Next weekend is when I will like finish all my clothes and everything. So yeah. So it is Sunday night. I have puffy eyes from crying so much today because it is the last Sunday in the apartment. Friday is moving day. Matt goes to California tomorrow and he doesn't get home until late Thursday night, and we move on Friday. So the desk still has some stuff on it, but it is pretty empty. All the drawers are taken out, and look at this situation behind me. Like, can you even? Hold on, like, there's a lot. Kitchen, pretty sparse in here. Still a few things so that I can, like, you know, instill some food in the hutch so that I can function. And the TV will remain there so I can kind of chill as much as possible this week. I still have those clothes in the drawers to pack, which I will be doing soon. I have a few things here to put into a suitcase. These things will be put with trash bags around them, like you can see for those other items. And this side of the closet is actually much more packed up. Like everything is bagged. Shoes are just gonna go in a bag. That's honestly the benefit of moving within the building. It's just all happening really soon. It's been a very emotional day, feeling a lot of happiness and excitement and sadness and grieving leaving this place. So yeah, I will check in with you guys as I finish up the rest of these things this week and show you guys the move. Tomorrow is moving day. This pile is absolutely out of control, as you guys can see behind me. The kitchen, basically empty. Still actually have some clothes hanging that are drying in the bathroom that I will need to pack into all of these boxes. And it looks like a very chaotic pile of stuff, but there's actually like a method to the madness of all this packing. Things actually are really organized, so, oh my God, it is finally here. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna show you guys as much as I can, but you guys all know moving is crazy, and I'm not gonna be focused on filming as much as I'm focused on actually moving. Welcome to the new apartment. I knew that I was not gonna get any freaking footage on moving day, so this feels honestly like the perfect place. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of this apartment, but we are obviously still settling in, so this feels like the perfect place to end the second moving vlog because we are moved in. As you can see, we have so many boxes behind us. That is the kitchen. We honestly have done a pretty good job at unpacking the kitchen. We've set up a little spot here in the living room. This is a big open space behind us. So our plan, and you guys will see in a vlog coming up, our plan is Matt's gonna have a desk/office setup. We're gonna have a wooden wall divider. We're gonna also get a day bed so that when guests come, they can stay over and they have a little privacy with the wooden wall divider. The wall divider will also help Matt and I to kind of feel like we have our own separate workspaces. We also are gonna get a bookshelf of some kind. We're not exactly sure yet whether we're gonna get something that kind of serves to separate the room because the wall divider will do that, so we don't know that we need that. We might get two kind of tall bookshelves to go on either side of the TV stand. So that's what we're thinking. This is our in-unit laundry closet, which is so nice to have. Another look you guys can see of the kitchen and the kitchen island and the hutch over there. This is the piece that if you guys saw the first Saturday furniture shopping vlog, which I'll link up here, we got that in an estate sale for literally $35. And the nice hallway, lots of chaos here, closet that I need to figure out, bathroom also need to figure out, and bedroom. You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hey vlog.
Matt's building the bed so that we can sleep in our new king-size bed tonight. So yeah, we've been making so much progress. I mean, the fact that yesterday was moving day and we are already this like unpacked and we have our own like kind of living room settled feels really nice. And as you guys can see, the natural light is so good. I'm so happy. That was a major concern of mine, was am I gonna have enough space for clothes and natural light for content creation. So I'm feeling just so excited. I love the space so much so far. Just feel so excited about what we're gonna do with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this second moving vlog, give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so that you get notified when I post another vlog, because I am totally going to do an apartment tour vlog once we get settled in. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I've been moving for 3 weeks. I'm gonna move one thing from one area to another area.
No, no. You are not allowed to be on the couch with this. Off the couch. Off the couch, Gouda. Cool. You need to get off the couch. Do you want this? Go to your bed.